Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode on my channel. Today I'm back with a Gujarati recipe for you, which is Sev Tameta nu Shaak. This is Sev Tamatar ki Sabzi. It is so easy that even bachelors and beginners can make it effortlessly, and you can relish it with rotis. So let's proceed to make this Sabzi. To prepare the Sev Tamatar nu Shaak, I have taken Ratlami Sev, about 1.5 cups. These are nice and spicy. And tomato ketchup 1 tablespoon. This I am using instead of sugar. It gives a lovely color to the curry too. 1 onion, large onion. We are going to grate it. 3 tomatoes. Take ripe ones. 2 green chillies. Handful of coriander leaves. Oil 3 to 4 tablespoons. Then we have mustard seeds half teaspoon. Cumin seeds half teaspoon. Asafoetida or hing 1/8 teaspoon. Salt as needed. Crushed garlic 1 teaspoon. Grated ginger 1 teaspoon. Now for the spices, here we have Garam masala powder half teaspoon. Turmeric powder half teaspoon. Cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Coriander powder 1 teaspoon. And Kashmiri chilli powder half teaspoon. List also is shared in the description box. You can check it out. Now heat oil in a pan. Add the mustard and cumin seeds first. Allow them to crackle. Now add the Asafoetida or hing. It gives a lovely flavor to this curry. Next, we will add ginger and garlic. Saute them a bit. Add the green chillies. You can see the color is changing. Garlic is getting fried, light brown in color. Now you can add the grated onion. Saute them together. This curry is very simple with basic ingredients. Even good for bachelors also. They can try it out, as the Sev is ready-made bought from outside. All you have to do is make the gravy. Cover and simmer it on low flame. In between, open the lid and keep stirring until the onion gets cooked. Now you can add the grated tomatoes. You can either grate them or blend them in a mixer and add the puree. Combine them together. Add salt. As you know, earlier also I had shared this tip with you. When you add tomato, immediately when you add salt, it brings out the sourness of the tomatoes and helps them cook faster. Now again we are going to cover and let it cook on low flame. After about a minute or so, open and stir. Slow cooking makes the curry really very delicious. Now it's time to add the spice powders. Mix everything together. I have used Kashmiri chilli powder because I want to keep it mild in taste because the Sev already is very spicy. Ratlami Sev is very spicy. If you are using the normal fika wala Sev, then you can add more chili powder. Here goes the ketchup, about 1 tablespoon. This is replacing the sugar, as in Gujarati recipes mostly they add little bit of sugar or jaggery, but ketchup gives it a lovely color. Now add sufficient water for the gravy, as much as you like. Give it a nice stir, and then we are going to simmer this gravy. Before that, you can check the salt and add if required. Delicious gravy. Cover and let it simmer so that all the flavors of the spices are incorporated into it. You can see the oil has started separating and lovely texture of the gravy. It looks so inviting. We are not going to add the Sev right now into the gravy. We'll do this just before serving. The gravy should be kept ready and Sev added at the time. Otherwise they'll become soggy and mushy. So just when you are ready to serve, transfer the hot gravy into a bowl, serving bowl. And you can now add the Sev. This variety of Sev, Ratlami Sev, is soft and nice, so you don't have to cook it. If you have any other variety of Sev which is little hard or crunchy, then you can simmer it a bit, like 1 boil or so. These don't require cooking. Nice, just immerse them in the gravy and the Shaak is ready. Enjoy it with Rotis. Such simple curries are really handy for days when you are not having any vegetables at home. You can make this curry. Awesome. Garnish with some fresh coriander leaves. Delicious Gujarati style Sev Tameta nu Shaak. I'm sure you're going to love it too. Do give it a try and share the feedback. Friends, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe to it and click on the bell icon. Choose the all option from the drop down menu so that you don't miss out all the notifications. Thank you for watching. Check out these videos from the archives as well. You might like them too. See you soon. Bye.